Hello everyone! Is your car's AC not working, or are you hearing strange clicking sounds from the engine bay? If your obd2 scanner has detected P0645, it means there's a problem with the AC clutch relay control circuit. This issue can cause your air conditioning to stop working, leading to discomfort, especially in hot weather. In this video, I'll explain what P0645 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to locate the affected components so you can fix it. Let's get started. What is P0645? The P0645 code stands for AC Clutch Relay Control Circuit Malfunction. Your car's powertrain control module, PCM, monitors the AC clutch relay to engage or disengage the compressor. If the PCM detects an issue, such as a high or low voltage reading, it triggers P0645, preventing the AC system from working properly. This issue is common in vehicles with electronic AC clutch controls and can lead to system failure. Common symptoms of P0645: check engine light on AC not working or blowing warm air. Clicking or buzzing noise from the relay engine overheating due to increased load. Fluctuating idle speed when AC is turned on. If you're experiencing these symptoms, let's locate the key components responsible for P0645. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0645, check these key parts. AC clutch relay location, inside the fuse box, usually near the engine bay or under the dashboard. Function, controls the power supply to the AC compressor clutch. AC compressor clutch location, bolted onto the front of the AC compressor near the serpentine belt. Function, engages and disengages the compressor when the AC is turned on or off. Powertrain control module, PCM, ECU. Location, mounted on the firewall under the dashboard or near the engine bay. Function, regulates voltage supply to the AC clutch relay. AC pressure switch. Location, connected to the AC refrigerant lines near the firewall or compressor. Function, prevents compressor operation if refrigerant levels are too low. Wiring and connectors. Location, between the PCM, relay, and AC compressor clutch. Function, ensures proper electrical signal transmission. Common causes of P0645 faulty AC clutch relay. A burned-out relay may fail to activate the compressor. Wiring issues, loose, corroded or broken wires can disrupt signal transmission. AC compressor, clutch failure. A stuck or shorted clutch may overload the circuit. PCM malfunction. A failing ECU may send incorrect voltage signals to the relay. Low refrigerant pressure. If the system detects low refrigerant, it may disable the AC clutch operation. How to fix P0645. Step 1. Check for other AC system codes. If additional A/C related codes appear, inspect the entire cooling system. Step 2. Inspect the wiring harness. Look for burnt, corroded, or disconnected wires around the AC relay and compressor clutch. Step 3. Test the AC clutch relay. Use a multimeter to check for continuity and replace the relay if faulty. Step 4. Measure the AC clutch resistance. A damaged clutch may show low or infinite resistance. Step 5. Verify refrigerant levels. If the refrigerant is low, refill the system and check for leaks. Step 6. Reset the code and test drive. Clear the code with an obd2 scanner and see if it returns. Ignoring P0645 can result in AC failure, engine overheating, and increased fuel consumption due to higher engine load. Fixing it will restore your AC's functionality, improve comfort, and ensure proper vehicle cooling. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0544. Exhaust gas temperature sensor circuit malfunction. P0545. Exhaust gas temperature sensor circuit low. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car diagnostics.